In this video of TechTube, let me show you how to sign out of your chess.com account. If you have an account of chess.com from where you're trying to log out of it, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. First things first, let's head over to chess.com. From the website of chess.com, to log out of it, you'll need to click on this gear icon that you see on the top right. Or you can just hover over it. Once you do, this drop down menu will open up, where on the last you will see an option called logout. You can click on this option, and as easy as that, you will be logged out. Now if you have multiple accounts of chess.com, you can again click on login and type in the details to log in again. So that's how easily you can sign out of your chess.com account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.